Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of s from this given nice Math Olympia exponential problem. 5 raised to power x is equal to 500. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 5 raised to power x is equal to 500. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 5 raised to power x is equal to log 500. Take note of this, that if you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. The whole of this equation can be written as s log 5 is equal to log 500. Let us divide the whole of this equation by log 5. This is divided by log 5 and this is divided by log 5. This log 5 cancels this log 5. This is the same thing as s is equal to log 500 over log 5. Then s is equal to log 500 can be written as log 5 multiplied by 100 over log 5, and this is the same thing as log 5 plus log 100 over log 5. Now let us split this. S is equal to log 5 over log 5 plus log 100 over log 5. This log 5 cancels this log 5. S is equal to 1 plus log 100 over log 5. 100 is equal to 25 multiplied by 4. S is equal to 1 plus log 25 multiplied by 4 over log 5. S is equal to 1 plus log 25 multiplied by 4 can be written as log 25 plus log 4 over log 5. 25 is equal to 5 square. 4 is equal to 2 square. S is equal to 1 plus log 5 square plus log 2 square over log 5. Then S is equal to 1 plus, if you split this, we have 2 log 5 over log 5 plus 2 log 2 over log 5. This log 5 cancels this log 5. S is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 2 log 2 over log 5. This is same thing as 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 2 log 2 over log 5. Then S is equal to 3 plus 2. Log 2 over log 5 can be written as log 2 base 5. This is the value of x. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 5 raised to power s is equal to 500. Then 5 raised to power s is 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5 must be equal to 500. This is same thing as 5 raised to power 3 plus log 4 base 5 must be equal to 500. Then if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. The whole of this can be written as 5 raised to power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 must be equal to 500. Then 5 raised to power 3, this is 125, multiplied by, this is in the form of, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then this is multiplied by 4, must be equal to 500. And of course, 125 multiplied by 4, this is 500, is equal to 500, which is true. Let us solve this using another method called the method of natural logarithm. Then this is second method. Second method. We have the given equation 5 raised to power s is equal to 500. Then let us take the natural log on both sides. We have ln of 5 raised to power s is equal to ln of 500. With this method, you can actually solve this in less than 1 minute. This is s ln of 5 is equal to ln of 500. Let's divide both sides by ln of 5. This divided by ln of 5. This ln of 5 cancel this ln of 5. This is same thing as s is equal to ln of 500 over ln of 5. From here, you may use your calculator directly. Now, ln of 500 is equal to 6.2146. Then ln of 5 is equal to 1.6094. S is equal to 6.2146 over 1.6094. This is equal to 3.8614. Therefore, S is equal to 3.8614, which is the final value of S if you use your calculator. Let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation 5 raised to power S is equal to 500. And this is 5 raised to power 3.8614 must be equal to 500. Now 5 raised to power 3.8614, this is equal to 500.0377. This is approximately equal to 500. Therefore, the left hand side 500 is equal to the right hand side 500, which is true. Let us leave our answer in natural logarithm form in case you are asked to do so. Then from S is equal to ln of 500 over ln of 5. This is the same thing as ln of 500 can be written as ln of 5 multiplied by 100 over ln of 5. S is equal to ln of 5 plus ln of 100 over ln of 5. And this is same thing as ln of 5 over ln of 5 plus ln of 100 over ln of 5. This ln of 5 cancel this ln of 5. S is equal to 1 plus ln of 100 can be written as ln of 25 multiplied by 4 over ln of 5. S is equal to 1 plus ln of 25 plus ln of 4 over ln of 5. S is equal to 1 plus ln of 25 can be written as ln of 5 square over ln of 5 plus ln of 4 can be written as ln of 2 square over ln of 5. S is equal to 1 plus 2 ln of 5 over ln of 5 plus 2 ln of 2 over ln of 5. This ln of 5 cancel this ln of 5. S is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 2 ln of 2 over ln of 5. S is equal to 1 plus 2. This is 3 plus 2 ln of 2 over ln of 5. Then this is the final answer in terms of natural logarithm form. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.